Welcome to Lul Autogarage. In today's video, we're diving into a critical topic for all car owners, the signs of a blown head gasket. A blown head gasket can lead to serious engine damage if not addressed promptly, so recognizing the symptoms early is crucial. In this video, we'll cover common signs of a blown head gasket, how to diagnose a blown head gasket, tips for preventing head gasket failure, signs to watch for: overheating engine, white smoke from the exhaust, milky oil, loss of coolant with no visible leaks, bubbles in the radiator or coolant reservoir. If you notice any of these symptoms, it's important to get your vehicle checked by a professional mechanic as soon as possible to avoid further damage. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below, we'd love to hear from you. What does a head gasket do? Your car's engine is divided into two parts: the cylinder block where the pistons and cylinders reside and the cylinder head where the valves, spark plugs and camshafts are located. Cushioned between these two massive engine parts is the head gasket, one of the most critical gaskets in your engine. The head gasket is designed to seal the cylinder's firing pressure and to prevent coolant and engine oil from leaking into the cylinders as well as to the outside. The head gasket must withstand the stresses of the two surfaces expanding, shrinking, warping and rubbing while sealing in cylinder pressure, coolant and engine oil running through casting ports. Blown head gasket causes: your car's engine operates in extreme conditions with intense heat. If this heat becomes more than normal, your engine can overheat, causing a blown head gasket. The extra heat results in the cylinder head and engine block expanding too much, which results in a failure in the head gasket. Detonation is another cause of head gasket failure because it damages the armors or fire rings, allowing cylinder pressure to leak past the armors. Bad head gasket symptoms: because the cylinder head gasket seals coolant passages, a blown head gasket will allow coolant to enter the cylinders. Coolant in the cylinders will cause: number 1, white smoke coming from the tailpipe, white smoke from the exhaust. This could be steam caused by condensation in the exhaust pipe or a more serious issue caused by an engine coolant leak. Excessive amounts of white smoke could indicate head gasket failure. Number 2, bubbling in the radiator and coolant reservoir. Why is my engine coolant bubbling? Bubbles in the cooling system of a vehicle, however rapid or slow moving, can be a sign that exhaust gases are escaping the combustion chamber inside the engine, creating back pressure, which is one of the most violent signs of a blown head gasket. Number 3, unexplained coolant loss with NO leaks. If coolant is disappearing without a visual leak, it is usually going out the exhaust pipe through a head gasket to combustion chamber leak or into an oil galley into the oil pan, or dripping out the hard-to-see weep hole in the water pump. Check the oil. If it is brown, you are at risk of destroying your engine. Number 4, milky white coloration in the oil. If you notice your oil has turned milky white, that means there is a problem in the engine chamber. While black oil is usually caused by the accumulation of dirt in the oil, white indicates that the oil has been mixing with water. There are several ways for water to soak into the oil. Number 5, engine overheating. Overheating: when your engine overheats, the cylinder head or engine block can warp or expand. When this happens, your head gasket may no longer seal properly. Pre-ignition, sometimes known as detonation. Pre-ignition occurs when air and fuel ignite in the combustion chamber before it is supposed to.
Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos about auto repair.